3 we have Speaker Wetangula mwenyewe. Line 3 we have, line 4 we have His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya. Line 5 we have Anita Among, the Speaker of Uganda. Line 6 we have Muvuria. 7 we have the Governor of Mombasa. Governor of Kilifi on line 8, Mungaro. We have Speaker of the Senate on line 8, Amason Kingi, and the Deputy Speaker, Rwanda, on the last line. 50 meters, you see the line. On your marks. On your marks. On your marks. Set. Go! Ah! Eji! 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 Ah! Ah! And the president takes the first position! Hasla! Hasla! President, where is the flag? 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 Sherehe na duru kwa His Excellency the President for winning the race. Woo! Hey! 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 The county government of Mombasa, I want to appreciate the governor of Mombasa for walking this journey for the last 6 months with us. I also want to recognize Aga Khan for your support as one of our sponsors, Kenya Commercial Bank, Cooperative Bank of Kenya, Mchezo Limited, and East Africa Breweries. Let us remember the theme of these games, enhancing regional integration. Never forget the spirit of deepening, widening, and tightening regional integration.
Me, Your Excellency, thank you for graciously accepting to preside over this 14th edition of the IPG in this beautiful city, which is Mombasa. The only work we made together when you are leading us all along this beach of Mombasa, when we are all chanting, all singing, behind that music, we were all one. There were no opposition, no ruling party, no, I don't know, we were as East African, and that's what we want in these games. The message we need was there, because these games are for us to unite, to spread love, to enjoy, to know each other, and to do what we call oversight. Please, Governor of Mombasa, we came to integrate. We will have to visit your hotels, your beaches, your nightclubs, your everything. Please open your doors. We came here to enjoy. Thank you.
In East Africa, sports serves as more than just a form of entertainment. They are a powerful force that brings people together, breaks barriers, and promotes peace and cooperation among countries. In East Africa, which is a region rich in culture, diversity, and history, it is a home to a mix of languages, traditions, and people. Yet, despite these diversities, one thing unites all of us: our love for sports. Whether it is football, athletics, netball, golf, or volleyball, sports transcends the differences that often divide us. They provide a common ground where individuals from different countries, ethnic backgrounds, and communities can come together, share passion, and experience the thrill of winning and the lessons of a defeat. Your Excellency, take for example the passion for football in East Africa. Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, South Sudan, and DRC have thriving football cultures. When the regional teams come together for competitions like Sekafa or the Iyala IPG games, the entire region unites in support of their teams. The matches are not just about competition. They are about showcasing the pride of each nation. They bring a sense of unity and extend beyond the national borders. Fans from different countries come together to cheer and celebrate and to bond over their shared love for sports. Your Excellency, in conclusion, sports have an incredible bridge that sports have an incredible power to bridge divides, create lasting bonds, and bring hope to East Africa. They encourage us to see beyond the borders, languages, and cultures, and recognize our shared humanity, whether it is through the excitement of a football match, the determination of a marathoner, the excitement of relays, or the camaraderie of golfers. Sports reminds us that we are stronger when we start together. Let's continue to support and celebrate sports, not only as a form of recreation, but as a powerful tool for unity. Viva Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki. Thanks so much and God bless you.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, right honorable speakers, honorable head of delegations, looking back on 13th edition of IPG successfully held in Rwanda in December 2023, Rwanda greatly thanks all of you for actively participating in these games and for your interaction with the people of Rwanda during your stay in Rwanda, where we have no doubt that you have made a new friendship. We came to compete and win trophies, but the great objective that motivates this competition is not the trophies. This annual interaction of parliamentarians aim mainly to strengthening the integration of our respective peoples through sharing values, exchanging best practices, and achieve common sustainable development. Kwa hiyo, integration ndio lengo letu, lakini na ushindi kwenye hizi games tunasubiri kwenda na medals zisizokuwa ndogo. Asanteni sana.